Just months before the announcement of the world's newest Asus smartphone that promised to represent a major evolution for Asus, Zenfone 6. With completely redesigned design and slide screen both up and down, the smartphone can be one of the great launches of the year thanks to its different tiles. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Asus Zenfone 6. Let's have a look. Now the Taiwanese company reissued a new teaser in which we see the smartphone with no apparent borders and also no notch in the display, indicating once again that much of the front panel should be screened and the design must hide camera sensor under the sliding panel. In the image we see a person walking on the catwalk and lighting radiating from the top of the smartphone. In the center we have the Asus smartphone logo, the slogan "Defy Ordinary" and the date of the event May 16, the third Thursday of the month. In addition to Zenfone 6, Asus is expected to feature the flagship Zenfone 6Z with similar design and high performance Snapdragon 855 processor plus a higher price of course. The Zenfone 6 should be presented very soon at the event to be held in Spain. Asus' new flagship handset is still a big unknown since no major leakage has been found so far. However, it has already been found in a new benchmark testing featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage space. In addition, it also underwent certifications at the FCC and also at Intel. Now it also receives a Bluetooth certification which, despite not showing any news, confirms the USB Bluetooth 5.0 checkout. It will be officially presented to the public on May 16 at an event in Valencia, Spain. Until then, let's hope for new leaks of the model to occur. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Asus Zenfone 6. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World. And stay blessed, peace out, take care, bye bye.